With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. If Z is the number of atoms in the unit cells that represent the closest packing sequence of ABC, the number of tetrahedral voids in unit cell is equals to. So here, as we know that in cubic closed pack system, this ABC type of arrangement of layer is found. So here, first of all, in CCP system, here we have a ABC type of arrangement of layers. So this is the arrangement of layers. So here, so in the system there are atoms at the corner as well as center of the unit cell. So from this, therefore, the number of atoms per unit cell is given by equals to 8 into 1 by 8 plus 1. So this is equals to 2. So from this, the number of tetrahedral void in the unit cell will become equals to 2n. So here, from this, we can say that number of tetrahedral voids in a unit cell is equals to 2n, where this n represents the number of atoms in the unit cells. So from this, our correct option is D, that is 2n. So this is the correct answer for our question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.